Hey guys, it is duck moving day. We have these 4 ducks in this somewhat mobile chicken coop. It's now a duck coop, but it's got good skids underneath it. My wife in her trusty bug suit, keeping the mosquitoes off of her in there. Let's see the bug suit. So if you got trouble with bugs, she wears this when she's worried about getting eaten by mosquitoes. And
humidity is very high. The heat is not really all that bad, but it's
super humid.
Super humid. Mosquitoes chew on me like snack.
So that's the project we're working on right now, getting these guys moved. So she's dumping out their the waters and stuff in here.
It rained, flooded last night. Again.
Yeah, we had a lot of rain. So that spot right there is where they were last time. I think we had some, they did the ducks or the chickens, I can't remember, but right there. So we're going to maybe pull them to another spot and we'll show you how that works. We're going to use the Yanmar tractor. We're going to hook up to it and get this guy pulled into a new spot. How's that? Okay. All right, so Yanmar had no trouble at all pulling that big heavy structure. Wife is gathering up their stuff to put their water in. You can see how muddy and messy. They seem to love all this mud though. They're just enjoying the mud every time. You see them wading through it. But now we've got to move to a new cleaner spot. They got some fresh grass. And so we'll get some new water in there for them. But the ducks are happy. They got some fresh grass to live on. Look at them go to work already. They love their little pool. And she's getting all that stuff washed out and cleaned up for them. But this building was a stationary chicken coop. So if you've been following us for a while, you may have seen it before, but it's been a long time since we showed this one on the video. So it was stationary, and we brought it here because they were being taxed on it as a building on their property. So they didn't want it anymore to reduce their taxes. We're not taxed on it out here. So we decided we would take it and put it on a flatbed trailer, moved it to our place, and then my son helped me put these 4x6 wood skids underneath it. We put large molly bolts every few feet all the way around it to hold all the timber and the original frame to those runners. And so we can still use it for chickens. It's got this area up here. It's got a ramp, which we don't have up yet, and it has doors on the sides. So you can see in here, we can put nesting boxes and those kind of things in here, and it makes a great chicken coop. So plenty of space for them. It's got a simple tin roof, but I'm glad we don't have to buy all these skids and lumber and stuff at today's prices. It's really ridiculous. Then I've got a heavy chain on both ends, and I just hook it to the Yanmar and move it wherever we want. So it slides pretty easily now, but it's on these wood skids. Got chicken wire around it. Got chicken wire around it, and some additional wire over the top of that. And then the door is a steel panel, so pretty tough. So really enjoying the Yanmar T235 tractor. Yesterday, I spent most of the afternoon turning our mulch piles out in the field. We've got probably around 2,000 feet of wood mulch that we turn and compost. And so I got all that done and moved away and cleaned up around the fence. But she does a really nice job. We got 2 little bowls in there for their drinking water, and one big, I say big, it's just a small little, one of the little kiddie pools for them to swim around in.
They swim in all of them, and they drink from all of them.
They do. Ducks are fun. It's the first time we've had ducks, and they're certainly a funny creature. So we've got a brick right here we'll set their feeder on. And this is the ramp. We put the ramp down because actually there's a leak in the roof right up here, right above it. So actually we use the ramp to keep the water out of their food, but they tend to get everything wet anyway. You see these additional nesting bars or roosting bars we had up here. We also use this pen when we raise pullets or raise chicks and pullets for Trinity Haymarket and other places. This is one of the coops that gets used for that. You want to take a dip? You gonna jump in the pool? Bug suit and all?
Oh, about spray, yeah. Maybe spray?
No, I'm good.
What's the temperature out here right now?
It's about 96 degrees and no wind at all, and about 80% humidity. You look like you're ready for the jungle though.
Hey,
You are all set. Hey, whatever, as long as she's not getting bit, I'm happy.
I'm trying to make it nice and
So we hope you enjoy the adventures here on Savvy Organics Farm. If you haven't, we hope you'll subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and ring the bell for notifications when we create new videos. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.